That's very weird. Look. The solar lights are on outside. Nothing in the garden set them off, look. And I think Israel's being attacked. Supernatural. Let me just check. That's a sign. Yep. Look at that. Yeah, that's Israel being attacked by Iran. It's been happening all day. Would have been updating me dressers. Yeah, look at that, being attacked, and we've just had the lights come on. Solar lights come on outside. In fact, I'm going to go and have a look now, see if they come on, because it's still light.